Welcome back. Now joining us is Jake Holgerson for the latest Hollywood scoop. Jake?
Hey there, Metro. Welcome to Entertainment, where Hollywood meets the Rockies. Let's get to it. The Tonys were last weekend, and the musical Once walked away with 5 awards, including Best Musical. Best Play went to Claiborne Park. Congratulations to the winners. The rock band Metallica has collaborated with others before, but now they're working with the FBI. Lead singer James Hetfield has made a public service video asking for information regarding Morgan Harrington, a fan who was attacked and murdered after a Metallica concert back in 2009. The band has gone as far as offering their own reward of $50,000 back in 2010 and are continuing to do what they can to help find the killer. Yet another challenge for journalist Robin Roberts. After surviving a 5-year battle with breast cancer, the anchor of ABC's Good Morning America announced on the show that she's begun treatments for myelodysplastic syndrome, or MDS. Luck is on her side as her sister, Sally Ann Roberts, is a perfect match for the bone marrow transplant. Roberts remains optimistic and showed it on Monday on Good Morning America. She had this to say.
Bottom line, I am going to beat this, and my doctors say it, and my faith says it to me.
Wrapping up for EMET, bad news for fans of the show Weeds. The 8th season that debuts this July will be its last. While the conclusion of the series has yet to be written, creators of the show promise not to disappoint. That's it for this edition of EMET. I'm Jake Holgerson. Enjoy your summer, Roadrunners.